I solitarily exert day after day, wishing to stay alone with myself, watching over my own stances, learning and practicing myself, away from all people's sight. To whom would I be if I avoid you? I would be a forsaken, evicted smirker of the neglected and praised doubts, making a work of a delved chancer, living like a decayed fantasy. I would be ruined in every aspect, none ignoring me but fleeing, chances setting me into mortification, being a nakpa and a useless ado, like a dust when it starts raining. I would be a grime that lost decency, rejected by every chanted provenance. I would really be peeling wastes, demented, melting than sugar, all woes dwelling within me. I could be none if you withstand, even if I bequeathed a richly affluence. I would be severely alone without you, and I would lose your unique host, slimming in a fatal hunger. Gods and heavens, pray hard and investigate, hate worldly belongings but seize them, make myself a castaway at my home, can't render eyes like. I feel I would be relieved if I die, away from these worldly troubles, free from the confinement of days and the weariness locking me into craving, leasing in a superb fortune. I feel that I lose nothing if I went, especially if I leave a child, so that my name should remain and pride it where I had, that I had deference where I was. Mind themselves, all my people, be liars, and those who don't. Too much tears would vex them, even though I would not be watching that I'm gone when needed badly. It's that I wouldn't still breathe. I would tell all of them to cease and inquire a speech if it's hard, and ask them to come if that's so, but I'm kidding, none would come. My heart cries every single beat because of a kind that perturbed me. Even if I pretend careless that I may move on, my betrayed dreams keep beating my brain, that chagrin keeps scaling at my sight. Being anonymous where I'm known and not deserving my merits, meeting none even where I get, seeing things that weren't wearing, haunted by many beliefs I should adopt. I would go to the mystery you fear that makes you wander up and down, one that fears accountability, one that followers thrive from a word, the one that keeps quiet when we suffer. Frankly, I only look up to you. I know all of you as influencers. I will chase those who misspeak you, collect and throw them away, and cast them into cash. I will stay here where I belong, such that dislikes daylight is a devil. Leaving home and die where I don't know? May that be unspokenly fought. Want it or not, I will be here for long. Whether you diminish or buffet me, whether you fall slow or hasten me, can't upbraid you, things on their time. I know we're all together. Introverted pie you intimately consider.